So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can pre-install Football Manager 26 and be able to play this on the 23rd of October on the early release. So you've got two options here. You've got Steam and you've got Epic Games, for example. Now, I've purchased it personally on Steam. As you can see, it's in my library. So what you need to do once it gets to the 23rd of October, you can come over to your library. You can then go to Football Manager 26. And then there will be now an install button, just like there is here for the old Football Managers, for example. So once the 23rd hits and you go to Football Manager 26, there will then be an install button here to be able to install this and play this on early access. On Epic Games, the same again. If we go to the store and go to Football Manager 26, what you will then be able to do is come over to the product page here, and then there will be an install button here on the right hand side as soon as the 26 hits. So it's just as simple, guys. That's how you can download and install Football Manager 26 for the early access. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.